a Bluetooth speaker, a smiling power bank, a cute cat-shaped lamp, and a Fragrant Hotpot Set. The first gift is a cool solo stage Bluetooth speaker, perfect for any Coolomo girl. With a glowing knob inspired by the Coolomo planet and a cool girl group microphone. You can have your own at-home concert or use it to compete with friends on TV. The second gift is a smiling face power bank, available in a variety of colors and with a matte surface that displays the battery level. It can charge up to 3 devices at once and is perfect for those who are always on the go. The third gift is a cute blue bear lamp that can sense when a cat is placed inside and turn on. It's reminiscent of childhood friends like Doraemon who can grant any wish. The fourth gift is a Fragrant Hotpot Set that comes with a unique ingredient and a guide to help. You assemble it. The set features a gentle color palette and a pure white hot pot tray and pot, creating a cozy atmosphere for a special hot pot meal. Let's enjoy the comforting aroma of hot pot together. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Best Buy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.